Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share with you a brand new recipe for a salad that's come out as a simple inspiration from my mother's cooking. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. These are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. Feel free to pause the video so you can make sure you have everything you need in the kitchen. In case you are wondering, this salad takes only about 15 minutes to prepare. So here's a close-up of the main ingredients of this salad, showing you the approximate quantities that we will need except for the bag of quinoa, as I just bought this from the organic store. For this recipe we will only need a quarter cup of quinoa. You will also need some small tomatoes, pomegranate, a small bunch of parsley, some mint leaves, and a small avocado. Bear in mind that we will only use half of the pomegranate and half of the avocado for this recipe. Now let's get cooking. Pour some olive oil into the pan and turn the temperature to medium heat. Get the quarter cup of quinoa and add it straight to the pan and give it a bit of a stir. Add only a little bit of salt at this stage and then stir again the quinoa. Now add 3/4 of a cup of water to the pan and wait until the quinoa starts to simmer. Once the quinoa starts simmering, close the lid and turn the temperature down to a low heat and leave the quinoa to cook for about 10 minutes. Now whilst the quinoa is cooking, it's time to chop the other ingredients. Here I'm starting by chopping the parsley into a fine consistency. Then add to a large mixing bowl. Then get the mint leaves and make sure you remove the stems before chopping fresh mint. Again, we are finely chopping these herbs. And once we are finished, we add the mint to the mixing bowl. Next, it's time for the tomatoes. Again, same thing, finely chopped and add to the mixing bowl. Next up, it's the avocado's turn, but we'll only need half of a small avocado, so remove the insides with a spoon. And chop it so the pieces are uniformly small in size. And now it's time for the delicious pomegranate seeds. Cut the pomegranate in half. And the way I like to deseed the pomegranate is by beating the backside of it over and over again with a wooden pestle, which quickly deseeds the fruit. There's more than one way of doing this, so I'll leave it up to you. Now time to check on the quinoa, and voila, looks nice and fluffy. Bear in mind that different types of quinoa may need a longer time to cook. This one that I use only takes about 10 minutes and it's ready. Add the cooked quinoa to a small bowl. And then add a small cup of lemon juice to the large mixing bowl like so. And follow through with a small cup of olive oil. Then add the cooked quinoa to the mixing bowl. Sprinkle some salt to taste. Now you guessed it, it's time to thoroughly mix everything together.
If
you would like to serve this salad to guests, or if you would like to treat yourself, place a large piece of lettuce onto a serving plate and distribute the salad around the plate like so. And finally dress the salad with balsamic vinegar in a zigzag motion for taste and a nice presentation. Well done! That's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit that like button. Also, please let me know your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below, as I would love to hear from you. If you would like us to become friends, you can follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, links in the description box below. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, please subscribe if you haven't already for more videos. My name's Kassem, thank you so much for watching.